Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2020 Infiniti Qx80 Limited in coolest red with HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot warning, heated and ventilated front seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 34,000 miles on the odometer, INTOUCH dual display system, navigation, heated rear seating, power sunroof, seat back video screens, power liftgate, 5.7-liter V8 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number D7651.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.